Hi, it's Michelle Einstein's song Birdsong. In Dr. Miles Monroe's book, Hidden You, he quotes Jesus, "But small is the gate and narrow the road that leads to life, and only a few find it." That's in Matthew 7:14. I think that's the King James Version. That's why poet Robert Frost, Ostara's grandmother, Michelle Birdsong, wrote, "The road not taken. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. And be one traveler long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. Then took the other as just as fair, and having perhaps a better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear, though as for that the passing there had worn them really about the same. And both that morning equally lay in leaves no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. I shall be telling this with a sigh, somewhere ages and ages hence. Two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference." From the Poetry Foundation. So this is hints. Now, Michelle Birdsong's lyric contained on the Edwin Birdsong album, What It Is. This is her current poem called Confirmation Conversation. Toot, toot, truth is the root, untie the noose. Confirmation conversation, open my mouth, let the true words come out. Then we can smoke the peace pipe. No smoke, no fire, no dope, let's sing in the holy choir. Confirmation conversation, let the families talk and share. Let them each be self-aware. They can reach a peaceful atmosphere when all can see clear. With confirmation conversation, we be of true cheer. Okay, I hope you like the poetry. I'm going to stop for now. Thank you for listening.